How to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix YouTube restricted mode if that is turned on by the network administrator. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Now, normally to turn off the restricted mode, all you want to do is click on the profile icon. Then click on the restricted mode option and simply toggle off the option that says activated restricted mode. However, if the restricted mode is turned on by network administrator, what you want to do instead is click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select settings. Now, from the left-hand side panel, click on privacy and security. Then scroll down and click on the security option. Here, you will find the option of Use Secure DNS toggled on. Down below, you have Select DNS Provider option. Click on this drop-down menu, and from here, you want to select the option of Google Public DNS. Once you select this option, simply head back. Now you want to refresh your YouTube page, and the restricted mode will be successfully turned off. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.